Today I'm gonna share with you two fantastic websites that is related with writing at your comfort of your house with your laptop from a cafe anywhere you want, because I had a request to show you a way or a couple of ways on how you can make money by writing. A lot of people doesn't want to be behind cameras and so on, so writing, it was a popular request I had a few days, so I'm going to show you two ways today on how you can make money by just writing behind your laptop screen at the comfort of your house anytime you're free and flexible to do it. So stick with me at the end of all the way of these videos, because I'm going to show you a couple of tricks. And before we go ahead and start this video, as always, make sure you go ahead and click the subscribe button following this video, because as I told you, I learn a lot from you as well. I receive your feedback and I learn a lot from you, and I want to get your feedback. Like this video, I receive feedback and I'm creating a video about a specific requested way. So make sure you click the subscribe video and make sure you click the bell icon next to it in order to receive a notification for the video I release every single day, just for you to make money from the comfort of your house. So with no further ado, guys, let's go ahead and start today's video. Two sites that you can make money by just writing or typing, however you want to call it, by the comfort of your house, at the cafe, from the university, anywhere. Wherever you have free space and internet access, you can use these ways to make money. So number one reason people ask me for writing is because they maybe they are not very good in communicating with other people. Maybe they don't want to be behind a camera. Maybe their English is not so well, because English is number one requested languages in most of the jobs we are showing. The list might be vary, so maybe you don't have quite a background in order to communicate with people, so writing is always much different and more flexible to do some work, correct? So this is what we're gonna do. So two sites, the links you can get it below this website, where you are able to do writing or typing jobs like creating ebooks, writing content for websites. The list can go anything related with writing, yeah? So Upwork.com is one of the sites I'm gonna show you. People and companies come here and hire Upwork in order to give them different tasks, and we come here and we get hired by Upwork, or we get hired after we post our profile in Upwork to do different jobs, creating content for different companies and so on. You can see that this site, Upwork.com, is trusted by over 5 million businesses. We're talking about something very legit and very nice. One of the most popular here, the top 5 they have here, Zendesk, Dropbox, Airbnb, UCLA, Microsoft. I don't remember what's the logo for this one. And as you can see, short-term tasks, bulletproof device experts on one-off tasks, recurring project, or a full-time contract work. So you can start for this. You can get either short-term tasks, either recurring for a specific company, or at the end of the day, if you are happy for this, you can become a full-time job. All you need to do is to clean up the sign up here and go ahead, create your profile, and you're gonna able to get the different jobs you are requested. So number one, guys, that I'm showing to you is Upwork.com, and the second one with the same exact logic is HireWriters.com, where people and companies looking for people to come and hire writers in order to write content for their website, for their social media, and so on. Same logic as before. You can scroll down, you can see a little bit here where people want articles to be written, content to be written, website content or social media, and they come here to hire people like you and I, so we can share their write their content and share it to them, and we get paid after we submit the content. So there you go, guys. Two very legit websites where you're able to use your writing experience to submit content for the various companies they hire you, and get paid based on how much content and how much article you're gonna get hired to do. You can do it for one company or multiple companies based on how much time you have available to work doing this task. So this is what I wanted to show you guys. Two sites very similar. The payout is pretty much the same. It's based on content and words you're gonna submit for the task. and you can go from there. You can get more tasks. You can request to go from short-term task to maybe recurring or even a full-time job if you feel like this is something you like to do. This is what I wanted to show you today. 2 fantastic sites that you can use your writing skills in order to make some money out of it. And if you like to see my #1 recommendation, guys, as always, my #1 passive way of income to make money: when you sleep, money comes in; when you eat, money comes in. It's free to register, guys. Video with proof to show you exactly how this works, and money comes in at all times. This is what I use. It changed my life. It can change yours. Give it a shot. Nothing to lose. It's free. So start making some money today. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy the day. Start making some money, guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.